Welcome back to Learn Chess in Just 5 Minutes video series. Nice to meet you once again. Are you all ready to learn the next topic? So let's start here. In this episode, we will discuss about chess pieces. It is an introduction to chess pieces. So here we go. Do you know that chess is played between two players? This is just like all other sports and games, where two players compete against each other. In chess, it is a contest between two sides. One is white side and the other is black side. Here you see that there are two opposite sides. One is white side and the other is black side. Do not worry if you do not understand any terms. As we go through the series, you will understand gradually all the terms. We strive to make this as simple as possible, but sometimes it takes time to get familiar with the topics. So, no worries, just be with the video, we will reach there. We already saw in episode 1 that chessboard will have numbers from 1 to 8 in the left side, which indicates row, and alphabets from A to H in the bottom, which indicates column, to locate each square in chessboard. The white side and black side are two opposite sides in chess. The white side is the one which has the row number 1 of the chessboard, and black side is the one which has row number 8 of the chessboard. So, if you ask me, is there any difference between white side and black side? I would say yes. The main difference is the white side will always play first and then followed by the black side. We will cover this in the upcoming episodes. Just think that white side and black side as two teams. Both these teams will have some team members. So both the sides will get some chess pieces. So what are the chess pieces they will get? We will see it next. This is a white king. I will say it once again for you. White king. This is the most important chess piece for white side. Since this episode is more about introduction, we will not go in detail about the king and the other pieces. Details about chess pieces will be covered in future episodes. This is a black king. I will say it once again for you. Black king. This is the most important chess piece for black side. This is white queen. I will say it once again for you. White queen. It is a powerful chess piece for white side. This is black queen. I will say it once again for you. Black queen. It is a powerful chess piece for black side. This is white rook. I will say it once again for you. White rook. It is an important piece for white side. This is black rook. I will say it once again for you. Black rook. It is an important piece for the black side. This is white bishop. I will say it once again for you. White bishop. This is black bishop. I will say it once again for you. Black bishop. This is white knight. I will say it once again for you. White knight. Though it is spelled as Knight, we pronounce it as night and it is not Night. And this is black knight. I will say it once again for you. Black knight. This is white pawn. I will say it once again for you. White pawn. This is black pawn. I will say it once again for you. Black pawn. Here is a quick recap of chess pieces in each side. Each side will get 6 types of chess pieces. You can see in the table we have king, queen, rook, bishop, knight and pawn. Now let's have a look at the white side. Though we saw there are 6 types of chess pieces, the players do not receive just 6 chess pieces, but they get more than that. Let's see how many pieces they get. The king and queen are only 1 in number. The other chess pieces, rooks, bishops, and knights, are just not 1, but a pair of rooks, a pair of bishops, and a pair of knights are given. Pawns are the most available chess pieces for a side. So, white side gets 8 pawns. Similarly for black, there are equal number of chess pieces as it was given for white. King and queen are only 1 number in each. The other chess pieces, rooks, bishops, and knights, are not just 1, but a pair of rooks, a pair of bishops, and a pair of knights are given. The pawns are the most available chess pieces for a side, so the black side gets 8 pawns. Let's just have a glance of the number of chess pieces. The type of chess pieces given to white and black sides are the same. Just have a look at the table here. If we count the number of chess pieces given to white side, it is 16 in numbers. And the black side, the number of chess pieces are also 16 in number. Now that you know something about chessboard and chess pieces. Now let us test your knowledge by taking a quick quiz. Look at the image and tell me what is the name of this chess piece. Yes, it's correct. It is knight. White knight. The next question is, how many pawns are given to each side in chess? You have 3 options here. 1, 2, 8. Exactly, the answer is 8. So you have 8 pawns for each side in chess. This concludes this episode. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Learn Chess in just 5 minutes. You now know about chess pieces. We will keep building on our chess learning little by little. So, bye for now. See you once again in the next chess learning video covering another interesting topic. Bye bye.